think for future me, I just want to provide for my family and give back to those who have helped get me to where I am today. My name is José Tapia, but people call me Pepe. I'm currently studying computer science at Cal State Fullerton, specializing in artificial intelligence and machine learning.
My name is Olympia Otieno and I'm from Nairobi, Kenya.
I'm from Himachal Pradesh, India.
I'm interested in artificial intelligence.
If they can do it, then I can do it too.
What I love about AI and ML is the creative potential it has. The most complex problems become easily solvable. I'm excited to help families and communities create stronger bonds using AI and ML. My parents migrated over from Mexico back in the 80s. My dad was a landscaper working full-time. My mom was a housekeeper working full-time. It was definitely rough where they weren't always around with each other to solve their problems, and they weren't always around to solve my problems. I have 2 younger brothers, 2 older sisters, and definitely had to be the bigger brother for the whole family and take on a lot of responsibilities at a young age. In high school, I was a 2.0 GPA student, barely getting by. I had no sense of direction. I didn't understand how to either get back on track or what track I was even on. After a series of bad decisions, I got in trouble with the law, and I fell into a deep depression. I felt like there was no way out of it. And that's where Risa came in. She was the light that I needed to believe in myself again. And then going to her graduation was the biggest click of, this is what I could try to be, this is what I could try to do. Because of her, I enrolled in college and I became passionate about changing my life, my way. I want to just inspire the community that supported me, but also just my brothers, especially as a Hispanic person going to school at CC Fullerton, saying that I'm studying AI and ML. That was really important for me. You don't really see a lot of Hispanic people in a strong technology or mathematical background. Being up in Fullerton and my brother down in Escondido, I've been missing a lot of my brother's basketball games. I wanted to use AI and ML to create a tool that can help me watch those games from home. I'm currently working on a project that uses a camera and a Raspberry Pi to record a basketball game. Through AWS, you can create a full live stream setup that records the game, and using machine learning and artificial intelligence, create highlights, point the camera in certain directions, and keep track of certain players, all automatically. And a person would be able to log on, watch all the clips for their child, and create special moments. Growing up, I played basketball as well. There'd be a lot of weeks where my parents would just not be able to go to the games. And when you're not there in the moment, it's really something special that you're missing out on. But if you can go back and relive those moments through a simple, affordable recording software, that would make the difference between a parent and a kid really sharing a genuine moment long term. Without the AWS AI and ML Scholarship, I wouldn't have been able to develop my own questions, know what tools are available to solve them, and be confident with start to finish making a product within AI and ML. I would encourage anyone, whether you're a self-starter or you're going to school, to take the AWS Scholarship because it will take whatever path you're on and enhance it.